India's energy problem probably is this last mile problem. The energy planners in this country, there is inadequate emphasis on addressing energy deprivation of the low income households, and the focus is more on energy sufficiency for higher income groups. Now, look at India. They're talking of 100% electrification, 100% household electrification, and whatnot. Still, according to official figures, about 24 million households are energy deprived. They have no electricity today. Most of them, they are concentrated in Bihar, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. And, this is the size half of South Africa and roughly the size of Italy. And these are the people who have not tasted the benefits of energy. There are reasons for that, very good reasons for that.